Hello everyone, today I'm making fudgy molten lava brownies. So let's start with me. I add 2 eggs in the pot and add half cup sugar, half cup butter. Whisk it properly until it dissolved and no lumps found in the mixture. And I'm gonna add half cup of white flour. इसको अच्छी तरीके से हम मिक्स करेंगे. Baking powder, cocoa powder, some few pinches of salt and vanilla essence. And I'm gonna mix it again until the mixture is smooth and slimy. Now it's time to add half bar of chocolate. You can add dark chocolate or any regular chocolate as well. I add few spoons of milk and mix it again. Now it's time to add in the pot. I put some butter pepper in the pan and add all the mixture, and now I'm gonna sprinkle some chocolate chunks on the top of my brownie mixture. और अब हम इसको बेक कर लेंगे for 180 to 190 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and you can see the results now. Oh my god, I'm so loving my brownies. These are incredibly amazing. You can see the softness and moistness of my brownies. You can cut in the desired shape, and oh my god, these are so stuffy and so yummy. You can see the lava inside. Amazingly delicious. Do try it and let me know about the feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more recipes.